Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today to do two VRs and project shares for two special ladies. The first one is Kathy's Creative Crafts and More, and she is having a birthday challenge, and what she is asking for is a mini pocket letter. And so what that is just like 3 sleeves in the compartment, and if you don't have these sleeves, then you can send her an ATC card. So I made these sweet little ribbon dangles over here, and I put some goodies in the back of this for her. I used some of these ephemera clusters that I made, and I'm sharing a few little goodies with her. And the other one is for Tanya of Psychic Crafts, and she's also doing a birthday challenge, and it does need to be postmarked by August 31st for hers, and Kathy's Creative Crafts and More is September 15 is her deadline. But all Tanya is asking for is a birthday card and a handmade one. And you guys, both of these ladies are incredible, are really incredible. And Tanya does such beautiful things, and she even makes things that are really small and so much detail and so cherished. And they're both sweeties. So, even if you can't enter their challenges, if you would just go to their channels and check them out and subscribe and show them some crafty love and tell them that Raina at LYLO Crafts sent you, I'd really appreciate it. And thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.